Top 5 Online Business Ideas 2023. Online business refers to any commercial activity that takes place primarily via the internet. Examples include e-commerce stores, digital services, and virtual marketplaces. The main benefits of an online business include low overhead costs, wide reach, and accessibility to customers 24/7. To succeed, businesses must have a strong online presence, user-friendly website, and effective marketing strategies. Ideas for businesses that don't require any kind of capital outlay yet nonetheless make decent returns are known as zero investment ideas. Your knowledge, work ethic, and dedication to these projects will determine their success. People are willing to work hard and have a lot of knowledge, skills, and time, but they lack the capital to launch a business. For such people, there are several business alternatives that don't require any capital investment but nonetheless boost your wallets and bank accounts. But before we begin, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. And also there's a special bonus for you at the very end. So make sure you watch the video until the end. 1. Start a course online. The creation and sale of online courses is a fantastic method for generating passive income. By 2027, e-learning is predicted to develop to a $1 trillion market from a $250 billion industry now. You merely need to produce a video tutorial in which you educate people on a subject you are well versed in. You can then host it on your personal blog or a website that provides online course material. Even though it's one of the most challenging internet income streams, if you can create a popular, practical, and educational video instructional, you will continue to make money from it for a very long time. Choose a worthwhile subject that you are knowledgeable about and can easily educate someone from the beginning if you want to launch your own online course. 2. Freelance writing. Writing is one of the most important skills you can have as an online entrepreneur. This is because writing is a component of the majority of activities. If you have a talent for writing, you have many opportunities to expand your company by offering your writing skills to time-pressed webmasters in the shape of articles, magazines, blog posts, books, editorials. Freelancing refers to working independently on a project or contract basis, rather than being a permanent employee of a company. Freelancers typically offer their services to clients who need short-term or project-specific work completed. Freelancers can work in a variety of industries, including writing, design, programming, and consulting, among others. They have the flexibility to choose their projects and clients, and often have the ability to set their own hours and work from anywhere. One advantage of freelancing is that it offers greater control over one's schedule and workload. Freelancers can choose to take on as much or as little work as they wish, and can work from anywhere with an internet connection. Additionally, freelancers can often command higher rates for their services compared to traditional employees, as they are not provided with benefits or a steady salary. 3. Affiliate marketing. With this e-commerce method, you don't have to worry about maintaining an inventory of your own products or about delivering goods to customers. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards affiliates for each customer brought about by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. The affiliate earns a commission for promoting the business's products or services, usually through a unique affiliate link. Affiliates can be individuals or companies who promote the business to their own audience, typically through websites, social media, or email marketing. The goal of affiliate marketing is to increase brand exposure and drive sales while providing affiliates with a commission for their efforts. For your online business, you essentially select a lucrative market, and then you search for an associate partner with products in that area. Some of the most well-known affiliate websites include clickbank.com, amazon.com, and CJ Affiliate by Conversant. They all sell virtually any form of tangible or intangible products you can think of, such as ebooks, audio files, and video files. Many well-known companies and brands have their own affiliate networks, like Walmart and Home Depot. 4. Lease or rent out current assets. An investor will purchase and oversee the management of one or more properties that produce income from the rental property industry. Leasing or renting out current assets refers to the process of making use of a company's assets, such as equipment, vehicles, or real estate, by renting. Leasing them to other businesses or individuals for a specific period of time in exchange for payment. This can be a useful strategy for businesses that have underutilized assets or are looking for an additional source of income. The lessee, or the person renting the asset, is responsible for maintenance, insurance, and other costs associated with using the asset during the lease period. The lessor, or the owner of the asset, retains ownership of the asset and can generate revenue from its use. Leasing and renting out current assets can help businesses maximize the value of their assets and generate revenue without having to sell them. 5. Blogging. You might think that nowadays many businesses are investing in blogging and the internet is overrun with blogs. Just because it's a saturated area, doesn't mean you shouldn't invest in it anymore. If anything, it just proves how popular blogging is. There are many blogs that focus on SEO and don't provide quality content. Don't get me wrong, SEO is important, but if you're ranking on the first page of Google and people are leaving your blog after 30 seconds, then there might be some question marks. Moreover, if you do a little research, you'll find that many articles don't respond to users' needs or issues. So, this is your glory time. Do you have topic ideas that can help readers get useful information? Start a blog. If people continue to search the internet for information, blogging will thrive. And with more people immersing themselves in the digital world, bloggers can only look forward to a prosperous future. Placing ads on your blog, such as Google AdSense, can generate revenue when visitors click on them. Did you learn something new about online business ideas that you didn't know before? We hope you did. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing ideas, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.